What's up, guys? Back to another video. So today we are going to be doing another J7 review. If you know from the last video, it did not go well. Everything that could go wrong did go wrong, but this time it is actually fully charged and it's ready to clean. So let me show you a little bit about the testing grounds and then we'll get started. So we got a cord, a double cord here. It kind of spreads out. We got, let's see over here, another cord. It's from the last video. It's kind of, it has one of these little transistors. And then we got two bundled up right back there. I can't go back there, but there's two bundled up. And we also got this fake crap here. I couldn't get it brown for good reason. And I got a fake dog here. We're gonna place him right here. See if it avoids that. It's the same thing as a stuffed animal, so yeah. So we got this all laid out just for this J7. And without further ado, let's get started. There we go, now it's better. Oh, see, it's working. It's at a little weird angle though. Oh yeah, see, it's at a weird angle though. Don't know why that. Okay, hang on. The floor tracking system, cool. Okay, everything's clean. Okay, hang on. I'm gonna restart this, sorry. There, not sure. Okay, there we go, it's working. Sorry about that. There we go, see, it's in a straight line. Sorry if it's a little zoomed in. Do you guys like it like this or like this? Debate in the comment section. Oh, look at that! Sorry. Look. Oh no! Don't hit the cord. Okay. Okay. Good. Okay. Yeah, it's just gonna be at a diagonal angle. Sorry about that. But it will be for now. So sorry about that. Let's see if it avoids this then. Curious about that. Oh gosh, is this gonna be a good sign? What the heck? Kind of confusing what it's doing right now. Oh, there we go. Now it's in a straight line. Maybe it just readjusted itself. I don't know. Yeah, let's go. This isn't a fail this time. Like it was last time. I have to zoom it in for this. Actually, I can zoom it out. Let me zoom in so you can see it better. Let's see if it avoids that cord under there. Did it? Oh, it sees it. Oh, see that blue light? I'll zoom in a bit more. See, it's going blue. I should have displaced them a bit more even. Sorry. But I didn't. I got a little lazy. Don't know if you can see that little blue. Oh, it's gone. There's a little blue thing on the Roomba. You can rewind it. Don't know what the heck that was. Sorry, I can't keep it still. I'm just gonna zoom it out a little. And sorry about the borders, if there are any borders. See that little blue light? Oh, it's gone now. Oh, that's just lens there, okay. Oh, and something I noticed when I got it is, look, there's only one of those little tracking things on the side. Not that full 360-degree ring on the I-Series, which is a little bit sad because it won't have that light touch bumper ability. But I think it did anything but light touch. It's avoiding that cord there. That's kind of nice. This is a pretty small area to clean, so I'm not surprised that it's working again. My last video, everything that could go wrong did go wrong. My phone was low battery. Everything was. See, it's avoiding everything. I did do a quick test run in the morning, just to make sure it did work. So it's not 100%, but it should still give a rough idea. Well, let's see if it avoids. It does avoid the dog. And this is like way below average size of a dog. It can fit in my hand. Just a toy stuffed animal. Oh, sorry, Jason. Whoa, buddy. Oops, sorry. I have to zoom in. Oh, it's avoided something. Oh, it avoided the dog, okay. See if it avoids that thing. Sorry, I gotta focus it on that. You know what I'm. It'll get the full smart map at the end, but yeah. Oh, will it hit it? Will it hit it? Let's see. I'm zooming it in for this part. I guess it won't. Wait, no, no. Oh no, oh no. Let's get an overhead shot. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Don't hit it. Please don't hit it. Yeah, someone. Oh, blue light. Okay, that means it saw something. Look at how close it is. Oh, please do not hit it. It says the promise, the crap promise. Sorry if you guys are eating and you have to watch this part. Beep. Sensor bar. Also, this thing is way more reflective in real life. It almost looks like a old CD disc or a CD disc. And this thing does not scuff at all, except the sides do on the bumper. Looks like it avoided almost every single obstacle, including the stuff. It's not doing much right now, but I will tell you a little bit about, I'll give you a quick recap of what happened last time I used this J7. It's the exact same one, by the way. But when I first started it, it went boop, and then it started following the edge, and then it just went back here, and then it just, you have to watch the full video, because I can't explain it all in this one video. It's like an hour long, close to an hour, I don't know. But it was a waste of my time, and now this video is only 10 minutes long. It's already better. I gave up on the time lapse because I thought it might interfere a little bit. So yeah. There's the J7 logo. Oops, sorry about that light. Oh, why is it out of focus? Sorry. Wow. Cleans everything up. I'll zoom it in. I don't want to walk over there. Going pretty far over there. Sorry if it's a little fuzzy, I'm just using the zoom feature on the iPhone. Here, I have to go a little closer just so you can see the cord. Oh, it totally avoids it, okay. Let me go under here so you can see how close it gets to the cord. Oh! Sorry. Oh, I can't really get, oh, sorry about the exposure. Got really dark there. Yeah, can't really go under there to show you. So I have to zoom out so you can see it. Okay, it's over here now. It's doing a great job from my perspective. Oh, see, it avoids it. It gets pretty close. That's how close it gets. Just so we can get a reference point. Around like maybe a meter. Or like around 2 feet, maybe. Max. Sorry about the focus. And I'm just using my iPhone. I use my GoPro most of the time for my videos. Let me know if you can still hear it. I can barely hear it. Bed under here basically allows the sound. Sorry if I'm getting a little technical here, but it dampens the sound a little bit. Can zoom it out a little bit for this part. Okay, let's see if it avoids the wire. Oh, yep, it does. It's smart. Unlike last time, where it completely did everything wrong. Let me know if you can see the change when I zoom out. You like that? Or do you hate it? I don't like it. It kind of shifts it. Shifts it. let's see if it avoids that micro cord there. I don't know why that's, oh, nope, it doesn't. Guess it wouldn't be a problem. Ooh. It's getting pretty. Whoa! Sorry, my video stopped. Don't know why that happened. Anyways. I just hit the record button by accident. Also, if you guys may know, you can check it out on the iRobot website or their YouTube channel, which is amazing. I spent a lot of time there just looking at the new product. But there's actually a J7 Plus mop combo and the J9 Plus mop combo, which again, I can't afford the J9 Plus combo mop, whatever it's called. And I could only afford one of the vacuum ones, okay? I'm sorry. But at least we got a J7 in the end. I think this might be my third day having it. What is it doing? Is it stuck? Sorry, I'm just trying to figure out what the heck is happening. I'll zoom out a little bit. Here guys, I'm gonna put you right here and zoom it out so you can see. Sorry, I just gotta get something. Okay. Sorry about that. My cord moved. Look at that bad boy. Looks pretty cool. What's going on under there? Also, dumb question, but does anyone remember this guy? My old iPhone? Or if you don't, too bad. Just wanted to throw that in. No real purpose, but I just wanted to. Oh, is it done? Oh, it is! Okay. So it's only like a 15-minute video, you know. 15-minute video. I'll zoom out for this. But hopefully you guys like watching this. It's coming. And I'll show you the smart map after this. You're still under there, buddy. Might be having a little trouble with this wire. I'll move it a little bit. It's kind of inching its way here. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Thank you, J7, for cooperating. Okay, let's see how accurate it is. It parked right here. It's going right here. Oh, could it? Let's see. What is it doing now? I'm confused. Please don't be the same video over and over again. Okay, phew, okay. It's gonna dock. I'll zoom in so you can see its final finish. Okay. Come on, J7 buddy. You can do it. Perfect little water frame. I just want it back. Come on. This is where it started, right here. And this is where it's going. I don't know what it's trying to do. Okay, this might be a little bit longer of a video than I expected. Oh, you know what it's trying to do? Hang on, let me pause it. So I set the docking base out there, and because it thinks it's in the guest room, it's gonna try to return home out this door. But it can't because the door's, well, in fact, closed. So it would just basically keep going here until it died, which would suck, and it would just be a long video for nothing. But anyways, this was a pretty solid review. Okay, let me zoom it out. Okay, so this is a great Roomba, again, apart from my last review when it didn't charge. Okay, it did not clean anything, but the reason why is because I already vacuumed the carpet. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Okay, hopefully you guys can see the screen recording. My last screen recording failed. So anyways, let's see what the smart map looks like. Okay, did a pretty good job. Let's see all the obstacles. Okay, so here's the layout of the obstacles so you can see really quick. So we got them in the exact places. So let's start the review. So this is a, let's see, temporary obstacle. Temporary. They're all temporary because they're all mine. It even saw the dog. Temporary. Keep saying the dog. That's funny. Yeah, pretty solid, so. Yeah, that's it. So thank you guys for watching again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.